set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Let's talk about amenities of this hotel. So you must be photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. One category of room is available